The other animals kept their distance.
What good is all this beauty if there is absolutely no one here to see it or enjoy it? I have these beautiful feathers, but I have no one to share them with, and not a single friend in the world.
I am not asking you to give them away. I am asking you to share the joy they bring. For happiness,
Oh, Professor, nobody likes me. Everyone avoids me, and I must be the loneliest bird in the entire forest. What troubles you, Starlight? The light from your feathers is brilliant, but I see the light in your eyes has grown dim.
If you would share your light.
share my feathers? They are my prize. You want me to give them away? Never!
Beauty is a precious gift, Starlight, but a gift kept only for oneself loses its magic.